In the deep blue, a vast migration is underway. They create a living river of silver, perfectly adapted to a life in endless motion.
Across thousands of kilometers of open ocean, these remarkable fish move together as one living organism. Their synchronized migration is among the largest and most spectacular wildlife movements on Earth.
This is the ultimate open ocean predator, an animal built for pure speed and efficiency. Every detail of its anatomy is perfectly adapted.
Built for speed and endurance, tuna can cross the ocean at astonishing velocities. Every hunt is a display of precision, teamwork, and raw power.
Radar showing a clear path ahead. Copy that, prepare the lines.
The ocean has no roads, yet these fish navigate invisible highways that have existed for millions of years.
In the open ocean, survival depends on constant awareness. A single shadow can trigger thousands of perfectly coordinated reactions.
Brace for deployment, let's go! Hydraulics active, line is rendering.
When darkness covers the ocean, another world comes alive. Even in the night, the tuna's endless journey continues.
Heave it up! Steady now!
Every giant of the open ocean begins life in protected waters, where survival depends on caution, speed, and constant learning.
On board, every second counts to lock in peak freshness. Core temperatures are tracked digitally. Only the highest grade makes the cut. Rather than fighting the ocean, tuna work with it. They use invisible currents to cross entire oceans with remarkable efficiency. Preserving freshness is the critical first step. Deep inside the ship, the catch is locked in ice. This protects quality for the shoreside factory.
Long after they vanish from sight, the journey continues. Across the world's oceans.
After weeks at sea, the journey ends, where nature meets the machine. Every ton of catch requires perfect timing. Strict temperature control is maintained from ship to shore. Every precise movement. This is the invisible effort behind a single can of tuna. Every cut requires absolute precision, blending traditional skill with modern standards. This is where technology meets human craftsmanship, ensuring the highest quality and safety. Inside the factory, every section of the tuna is carefully handled to preserve quality and minimize waste. The next transformation happens through carefully controlled cooking, a process designed to preserve flavor, texture, and safety. Through controlled heat and precise timing, the tuna begins its final transformation from ocean harvest into a globally recognized food product. Cooking is one of the most important transformations in the tuna production process. Inside these massive chambers, precise control of temperature and timing. After cooking, the tuna enters another critical stage, controlled cooling. Maintaining the perfect temperature ensures that the next steps can be performed with maximum precision. Even in a highly automated factory, human experience remains one of the most important quality controls. Careful inspections that only the best portions continue toward final production. Before the tuna reaches a can, every unnecessary part must be carefully removed. This stage combines industrial efficiency with human precision. At this stage, precision becomes everything. Every can must contain the correct amount and maintain the highest standards. At this stage, precision becomes everything. Every can must contain the correct amount and maintain the highest standards. A simple metal door is the last barrier between the product and the outside world. Inside every sealed can is the result of a journey that began in the open ocean and passed through dozens of carefully controlled stages. Inside these massive sterilizations, the final safety begins. Controlled heat and pressure. After sterilization, every can begins another carefully controlled stage, returning to normal temperature while maintaining perfect protection. Before leaving the factory, every can must pass one final examination. Precision technology and human attention work together to protect the quality promised to consumers around the world. A simple label represents more than branding. It tells the story of where the product came from and the journey it has taken. A simple label represents more than branding. It tells the story of where the product came from and the journey it completed. The final product is created through thousands of synchronized movements performed by machines and people working together. Once production is complete, another complex journey begins, moving millions of products across the world. Behind every product on a supermarket shelf is a carefully managed global supply chain. From factory to destination, every shipment continues the journey that began thousands of kilometers away in the ocean.
A single can of tuna connects oceans, technology, factories, and people across continents.
What appears to be a simple can on a shelf represents a journey across oceans, through technology and through countless human hands. Every stage tells a story of connection. Inside this massive facility, every stage of production is monitored in real time. Precision robotics ensure peak efficiency. Transforming food. Behind every automated system are people whose knowledge and experience keep the process moving.
Looks good, line 2.
Technology may transform the industry, but human skill remains at its center. A factory of this scale depends on thousands of perfectly synchronized components. Behind every successful production day is a constant effort of maintenance and engineering. The future of seafood depends on understanding the ocean that provides it. Technology is creating new ways to balance human needs with the protection of marine ecosystems. Understanding the ocean is the first step. Science reveals ways to manage resources. While the world sleeps, food systems move to kitchens. While the world sleeps, global food systems continue moving. Inside these facilities, precision never stops. From the depths of the ocean to kitchens around the world, every product carries a hidden story.
The story begins and ends in the ocean, a world that continues moving, changing, and reminding us of the connection between nature and human life.
Every can of tuna represents a journey measured not only in distance, but in effort, technology,